Hey guys, welcome back to another Shop Talk. We're gonna switch it up for you today with this Shop Talk. We were actually mailed a package here from Bart and Judy's. Bart and Judy's makes cookies, bags of cookies, and they are a direct competitor to who?
Famous Amos.
Famous Amos. So what we're going to do for you today in this video is we're actually going to try these out. We've never had them before. They're not paying us for this video except for the free cookies. They have a couple other flavors here too. But what we're going to do is we're going to try the Bart and Judy's Ultimate Chocolate Chip Cookie Double Chip.
Double chip.
Put that up right there for you guys to see.
New.
So if you guys want to crack that open there and give it a shot. While they're tasting it, we're gonna.
What do we got? All natural, real butter, fresh eggs. So I think that's their selling point is the no preservatives and more natural cookie. More of a homemade flavor. We'll see.
There we go. Direct competitor to Famous Cookie, Famous Amos. If you're not sure, here's the two packaging while they try it. This is actually a 2-ounce bag, and this is a 3-ounce. So you get a bigger bag here. It's a little bit costlier, but we'll get into that in a moment. But first things first, on the outside, real butter, fresh eggs, all good, no bad.
You can taste the real butter. You really can.
What do you think?
A little bit of a buttery flavor to it. Yeah. It doesn't taste artificial.
Now, do you think about Famous Cookies when you're eating that? Similar?
They're similar. I want to say the Famous is a bit drier. We'll go ahead and compare here in a second, but. You know, it's a little butterier. You do get the butter and the a little bit more like a real ingredient flavor.
Well, you know what I do taste is the Belgian chocolate.
Yeah, very true.
The chocolate is definitely higher quality than
Now
Famous.
that you mention it, yeah, the chocolate does come through.
You know, when you have that different taste in the chocolate.
Let's check out an Amos here.
Yeah.
Well, no longer Wally Amos, but.
So on their website, they say how Famous has sold out. They're not an American company anymore. Bart and Judy's, owned by Bart Greenhunt in California. They produce these cookies, so definitely taste that chocolate in the aftertaste here.
Yeah, the chocolate really comes through on that. That's what I noticed in the finish, if you will. There's more of a chocolatey flavor.
Yep.
The Famous tastes more like vegetable oil kind of, where you can really taste the butter in the Bart and Judy's.
Yeah.
So yeah, it does taste a little bit more natural.
If you like Belgian chocolate, you know, I'm not really, I don't know much about Belgian chocolate, but it's not a bad cookie. What do you think, Alex?
You know, they taste pretty similar to me. I'll give a slight advantage to the Bart and Judy's. However, to keep it real, guys, at the price point that I see these at, I'm gonna stick with the Famous at this point.
Nice.
What do you think, Mike?
Like you said, they are similar. It's hard to distinguish the real difference.
They're both dry.
They're both dry, yeah.
Brittle.
It's
So
both
if you guys,
a packaged cookie, yeah.
they're both dry, brittle cookies. But, like you say, they have fresher ingredients.
Yeah.
If you read the ingredients on here, you know, Belgian chocolate chips, natural flavors, creamy butter, unbleached flour, you know, whole eggs. And then you read the back of a Famous pack. Go ahead and read some of the stuff that's in there.
Enriched flour, wheat flour niacin, thiamine mononitrate, semi-sweet chocolate chips. The chocolate looks real. Vegetable oils, hydrogenated soybean oil. Yeah, a little bit some preservatives here. A little bit less natural. One thing I noticed too is that the Bart and Judy's is 3 ounces as opposed to the 2 ounces of Famous Amos.
Right.
Yeah. The cookies seem a little bit smaller in size as compared to Amos, but there's obviously more in the package.
Yeah. Yeah, just on the face of it, the flavors, the flavoring, you know, if they're what's in these packages is true, you know, it's obviously going to be better for you than a Famous cookie, which is a lot of fake ingredients. So now we're going to break into the vending numbers on this, and now that we tasted them, like I said, both
I don't know
similar.
if we mentioned too that Famous is now foreign owned.
Yeah.
Whereas this is American made.
Italian.
So yeah, Italian. Yeah.
And it says there right there on that package there, right?
Yeah. USA family
made.
owned and operated. Yeah. Whereas Famous just sold out to an Italian company.
Right. And so for us here in Florida, when we buy Famous cookies, this bag of Famous cookies cost us 30 cents per bag, and we normally sell them for $1. Okay. So around 70 cents per bag on those. Now, I was just on their website here on americascookie.com if you're looking to order. I'll put the link in the description so you can check them out too. If you buy 3 boxes of theirs cookies, you can get 1 free. So the basic breakdown is 62 cents each for a bag of these, but they recommend you sell them for $1.50. So if we can get $1.50 for that bag at 62 cents each, then we make 88 cents a cookie as opposed to the 70 cents, so almost 18 cents more.
Wow.
So it's unproven, like you say, Alex, it's unproven as whether people will like it or not. So I think what we're going to do here at Hill Vending is we're going to go ahead and order the 3 cases and get the 1 free. So we'll order, that's 196 cookies. We'll put them at, some of our top moving accounts.
Yeah.
And see
What
if
the customers want.
Exactly, because at the end of the day, whether it's Famous or whether it's Bart and Judy's, the customer will decide.
That's right.
If they spend their money on it. So
yeah, Famous is a good seller. So it'd be, Famous is a good seller for us, right, Mike?
Yeah, it's got that claim, that name brand that everyone recognizes. But yeah, Famous Amos does sell pretty well.
How many cases a week do we go through?
5 to 7, I would say. 5 to 7 cases of Famous Amos a week.
And there's 42 in a case, so we move quite a lot of Famous. So we'll see if people gravitate towards this larger bag, higher quality. That's all we can do. But
American.
Thanks to Bart and Judy's. You can find them on Facebook, on Instagram. Thanks for sending us the
Thank you.
The packages here, the samples. If anyone else wants to send us samples, we're always down to do some taste tests here on Shop Talk. And that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to order some in. We're going to see them if they sell, and we'll report back to you guys and let you know if Bart and Judy's is a hit. If you guys are interested in learning more about the vending business, remember we do have an ebook and courses available. The links will be below. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like our food review. Anything else, guys?
I think we're good to go, man.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Until next time.
Keep your drinks cold.
And your snacks fresh.
See you guys.
Hope I didn't ruin it.